afternoon, Rutgers. This is Ryan Green with your Thursday, March 13th, 2014 afternoon forecast. It's hard to believe with these bitter cold temperatures outside that spring is actually only a week from today. But the good news is these cold temperatures will be short-lived and we'll start to see a warm up tomorrow and into this weekend. If we look at our high temperature for today, we had a high of 29 with partly cloudy skies, winds out of the west and northwest at 15 miles per hour, gusting from 25 to 30. And now looking at that high temperature, you can see that it's actually the same as what our average low temperature is for this time of year. So it's rather unseasonable, and that's good news because that means it will warm up at some point. Now going for our regional high temperatures, you can see that the entire region felt the effects of that cold front that moved through yesterday. We have Ithaca as our coldest spot at 12 degrees, Hershey at 30, Baltimore at 30, and Camden is at 30 as well. We also have Newark at 29 and Hartford at 21. Now going into tonight, we're going to have our temperatures plunge one more time before we get that warm up. We have Ithaca at 7, Hershey at 19, Camden at 19 as well. Baltimore will be our warm spot at 27, so it's not technically warm. Newark at 16 and Hartford at 11. Now looking at our regional satellite, you can see the low pressure system that moved through yesterday, and that brought us in the cold front and a little bit of precipitation. And then if you look to our west, you can see some high pressure building, and that's going to help bring up our temperatures for the weekends. Now going into our evening planner, at 3 o'clock we have 29 degrees, 6 o'clock 28, and by 9 o'clock down to 24, clear skies. And for tonight, we have a low temperature of 13, mostly clear skies, winds out of the west from 9 to 16 miles per hour. And then going in tomorrow, we finally see a warm up with a high of 48, partly sunny and warmer, and winds out of the southwest from 6 to 13 miles per hour. So that will help bring up our temperatures for the rest of the weekends. And going into our weekends, we have tomorrow with our high of 48, low of 32. Saturday, we have a high of 59, partly sunny skies, and then a low of 31. Sunday, we're going to cool down just a little bit with sunny skies and a high of 45, low of 23. And then Monday, we see another cold front move through with a high of 36 and low of 21, but it's not going to be anything like we saw yesterday and into today with our cold front. And then on Tuesday, we'll be warming back up to 42 with a low of 27. And as always, you can catch us on Channel 6 every 15 minutes, Facebook at RU Weather Watcher, Twitter at RUTVWW, hashtag RU Weather Watcher, and online at rutv.rutgers.edu. And have a great night, Rutgers, and stay warm. Thanks.